Excellency and dignitaries present. It is an honor to receive you this morning at FCE Dualization Road. As we are seeing, this is a project of Shehu Abubakar district, formerly known as Bagfor. This area was highly prone to erosion and it was inhabitable. You had gullies up to 6 meter wide and 3 meter deep in this area. The Gombe State Government awarded to Tractor Nigeria Limited a contract of 7.5 kilometers of reinforced concrete drainage channels in this area, which is the upstream of the Akrisal Doma project. The 7.5 kilometer drainage has been completed and fenced accordingly to have a buffer zone of the right of way. Then at the same time, the Gombe State Government awarded 15 kilometers of road network within this area, because after providing the drainage infrastructure, it was necessary to provide road networks. So in the 15 kilometers of road network that was provided here, all has been completed. All the 15 kilometers have been completed. It is 440 mm wearing course with stone base and reinforced concrete line drains. By the end of next month, it will be complete, inshallah. We are standing here at this point. The Bagfor roads, the 15 kilometer was awarded at about 20 billion naira, and we had an increment of another 12 kilometer of roads within the 16 kilometers. So we will have an additional works almost amounting to about 16 billion naira on that job. City center, I want to brief here because maybe later we don't have time to talk about it. As the Yemi Osibanjo Road was linked to the southern bypass, there was an eminent need for an underpass at this location, because the Yemi Osibanjo Road will come here. So this is the location of the underpass, and we have about 18 kilometers of road network in this area. This was awarded at about 31 billion naira and is about 35% complete. And again, the state government see the need to extend the road in front of the state secretariat all the way to the Ashaka bypass. And we have another additional 12 kilometers of road from the city center, about another 10 billion naira of road within this project. So we are looking at a total end of close to about 70 billion naira between Bagfor and city center that the Gombe State Government has spent in. And while the Bagfor is nearly completed, the city center is at about 30 to 40% complete now. Thank you, sir.